to show you how to replace your bench seat pad on your Caboose Ultralight stroller. So the first thing that you're going to do, you probably have your crotch strap still attached, and then the straps that hold the bench seat into place. So you're just going to unsnap these bench seat straps. Okay, and then underneath there is going to be a Velcro strap. So you're going to undo that, and then there's these little pockets that go around the ends of the bench seat. So you're just going to feed these off. And then your crotch strap is going to be attached to the plastic part of the bench seat. So if you see on this metal hook, there is a slit in the middle where you can feed your harness through. So you'll just take it off, and then you'll have your new one. So you're going to take your crotch strap off. Make sure when you install it that the straps are closer to the front side of the bench seat. So then you're going to take your crotch strap, the Joovy logo facing out. You're going to feed the metal clip through the slit. Go ahead and pull it all the way through so you have plenty of slack on the other end. You're going to take the strap, the metal ring, feed it through the middle going down, and then you can either come up to the back or the front depending on how much space you need for the crotch strap. So I'm going to put it up the front. You'll feed that through. Use the little slit again. Feed the harness back through. Give it a good tug. So once you have that on there good and tight, you see these pockets on the bench seat pad. So you're going to feed it around the back of the bench seat and then the front of the bench seat on each side. Then you'll use the Velcro straps underneath. So they'll just kind of feel under there, make sure that's secure. And you have your straps that lock the bench seat into place. So you can either leave them if you need the bench seat to slide, or pull the bench seat all the way to the front. I'm gonna make sure this one's up and out too. All the way to the front. You're gonna go around the same frame that your handlebar is and snap these buttons into place. And now you just changed out your harness pad.